Let's begin with the Cartwheel galaxy, a true marvel of galactic transformation. Unlike its spiral cousins, the Cartwheel galaxy doesn't follow the traditional cosmic choreography. Its structure is wild, chaotic, and absolutely mesmerizing. It looks almost artificial, like a wheel suspended in space, complete with a glowing central hub and spokes stretching outward. But how did it form? It all began with a collision. Billions of years ago, a smaller galaxy slammed into a larger one, triggering a shockwave of energy that rippled through gas and dust, like a stone dropped in a pond. The impact sent material flying outward, forming a bright outer ring of young stars and triggering massive star formation as it expanded. Think of it like cosmic fireworks, bursts of gas and dust igniting under pressure, giving birth to new generations of stars. What makes the Cartwheel so fascinating isn't just its unusual shape. It's the fact that it offers a rare snapshot of galactic evolution in action. We're watching a galaxy remake itself, transforming from one structure into another across eons. It's chaotic, it's beautiful, and it's a reminder that even in space, change is constant. Now, let's move on to a more classical, but equally breathtaking example. Spiral Galaxy M74. Located around 32 million light-years away in the constellation Pisces, M74 is the poster child for spiral galaxies. It belongs to an elite group known as Grand Design Galaxies, systems with striking, clearly defined spiral arms that extend gracefully from a central bulge. These arms aren't just decorative, they're stellar nurseries, where clouds of gas and dust collapse to form new stars. Inside M74, astronomers have spotted supernovas, star-forming regions, and intricate dust lanes weaving between glowing clusters of young stars. And thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're now seeing these regions in unprecedented detail. In July, NASA released a breathtaking image of M74, but getting it wasn't easy. JWST had to peer through thick clouds of interstellar dust using its infrared capabilities, revealing glowing webs of gas, glowing stars in various life stages, and even the faint whispers of stars just beginning to form. What Webb showed us is more than a photograph. It's a time-lapse of cosmic creation, frozen in light. What connects the Cartwheel galaxy and M74 is that both remind us of the complexity of galaxies, how they aren't static islands, but dynamic ecosystems, constantly evolving, colliding, and rebirthing stars. The Cartwheel is a galaxy reborn through destruction. M74 is a galaxy blooming in quiet elegance, and both speak to the violence and beauty of the universe. In Cartwheel, we see the aftermath of galactic chaos. In M74, we see the meticulous architecture of gravity sculpting spiral arms that stretch across tens of thousands of light-years. Both are powered by the same forces: gravity, dark matter, and the unending dance of celestial bodies. And both teach us something fundamental. Galaxies are alive, not in the biological sense, but as systems that change, react, and evolve over billions of years. Every supernova, every cluster of stars, every ripple of dust, it's all part of a vast, interconnected process, one that James Webb is only just beginning to uncover. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we find that the universe is more than empty space and scattered light. It's a storybook written in stars, and every galaxy, from Cartwheel to M74, is a chapter waiting to be read. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars. You're seeing galaxies in motion, ancient light traveling millions of years to reach your eyes, each one with a history richer than we can imagine.